Meaning of foist.
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 Foist. The meaning of foist is to impose something onto someone else, often through deception or trickery, without their consent or desire. This could apply to a variety of situations such as selling a faulty product or trying to pass off something as genuine that is in fact counterfeit. The result of foisting something onto someone is usually negative, as the person is likely to feel cheated or manipulated. In some cases, it may even result in legal consequences if the action is deemed fraudulent or unlawful.